Very nice, very nice. Yes, very nice. Yeah.
Good girl.
Yes. Here we have really a lady. All his money goes in for the horses and the rounding for teaching. So I take always my hat off of him when I see him. Change the direction. Yes, look always to the point where you like to go. Yes, very nice. Easy, easy, yes. Yeah. Try to get the reins a tiny little bit shorter so it doesn't
So much.
swings around too much. Huh? Because this also influences every little movement. Can you imagine this, how much trust this horse has to his rider? Because he's blind. You know? And it's a great relationship. Yeah? No, we have to really build up a relationship between the horse and the rider. And this partnership must be how should I say, have to be created, this partnership, through trust and respect for each other. The respect is important, huh? And we take up the rein very gentle, easy, easy. Take up the rein, the stirrups very gentle, easy, yes. Tiny little bit quieter, sit a tiny little bit more. Easy, easy. A little bit more contact, but very gentle. Yes. Outside the rein, left leg. You know, the outside rein and the inside leg is working together. The left leg and the right leg working together. And the seat bone. Outside leg, yes. Oh, we should love, yes. They are so kind and so trustful to us. Huh? And what do we most? The trust. We rule the trust what the horse has to us. Because we starting to torture us. Not you. Huh? Huh? Because we don't have really the experience or the heart to torture us. Huh? Still a tiny little bit right, very gentle, very nice. Outside in, gentle. Reins a tiny little bit shorter without getting tighter. Easy, left leg, gentle flexion and bending. Yes, around this inside leg. Get your rein a little bit shorter. very carefully cut and rising. Easy, don't put your elbows out. This tempo, not more. Remember, you give a gentle flexion in the corners and you relax them. The outside ring is gentle, tight, and the inside is very nice, flexible, maybe. Oh, it's yes. Easy, easy. And remember, don't go too deep into the saddle when you're writing the relaxation cut or gather. Yes, very nice, dear. If you keep time a little better left, look in the mirror, then you can see what you have to do so the horse is nice, straight, gentle. Flexion and bending. Outside three. Yeah. Gentle, gentle. Easy, change your direction, keep your outside three, because you have to go in into the horse's left mouth side. So we have to keep them the opposite way, chain tight, so we don't pull the rider through the mouth. Left lane, yes. Easy, easy. Yeah, the heels are very nice, but you could keep the legs a tiny little bit more